Hey everyone, welcome back to another video tutorial. So in today's video, I'm going to address something really important to get your account protected from getting hacked or lost forever. So let's start. First, go to your homepage, click the More, Settings and Privacy. Then go to Security and Account Access. Then you want to click on Security. And you can see the two-factor authentication. Now, there are different options to get your authentication set up. And here's the thing that most people are unaware of is to never use your text message to authenticate. Why? So without getting into the technical aspect, because I'm not a hacker, I do not know how they do it, but if you go on Google and search it up, you can find different reasons why using text message to verify is highly risky. So just don't do it. And instead, we're going to use the authentication app. Here, we want to enter the password to get access to it. Click confirm, and let's start. And here, you need to go to your phone, download a authentication app if you haven't had it yet. There are different options. You can find the best ones. Here are the top apps in Apple Store. So I personally use the Microsoft Authenticator and also the Google Authenticator. If you want to search them up more, you can just Google them, best trending authentication apps, and you can find a lot of different information on it and choose the one you feel most comfortable with. So after you scan the QR code using your app, there will be a number popping up. You just put it in and confirm. And there you're all set. And I think it works a bit like your cold wallet. So which means next time if you want to log into your X account, you actually have to use your authenticator to give you that passcode. So it adds another layer of safety on top of your password. Alright, thank you so much everyone for watching today's video, and if you like it, remember to press the like button and let me know what you think in the comment section, and also share it with your friends. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!